This is the Robot Arm Payload Calculator for joint torque, which calculates the torque requirements at each joint of a two-link robotic arm. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have link 1 length in meters and link 1 weight in kilograms for the first arm segment. Then link 2 length in meters and link 2 weight in kilograms for the second segment. Next is the payload weight in kilograms, which is the weight of whatever your robot arm is carrying. Finally, we have joint 1 angle and joint 2 angle, both measured in degrees from the horizontal. For our example, I'll use link 1 length of 0.5 meters weighing 2.0 kilograms, link 2 length of 0.4 meters weighing 1.5 kilograms, and a payload weight of 1.0 kilogram. I'll set joint 1 angle to 45 degrees and joint 2 angle to 30 degrees. After clicking Calculate Joint Torques, we get joint 1 torque of 16.34 Newton meters and joint 2 torque of 5.95 Newton meters. These values tell you the minimum torque ratings your servo motors need to hold this configuration against gravity. This calculator helps you properly size your motors before building your robot arm. Find the link in the description below